एके हा कुरुनन्दन बहुशाखाहनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनां. Smart people focus on one goal. Guru child, they work hard to reach their goal.
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे कविहस्तिने सुनसेवा स्वपाके च पंडिता सवदर्शिनः. A wise person who has knowledge sees a brahmana, an elephant, a cow, a dog eater equally.
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखः सुखक्षमी.
A good friend is kind to everyone and never jealous. They stay happy even when things are hard.
मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मज्जाजीमां नमस्कुरु नामे वैश्यसि उद्वैवम् आत्मानामत्परायणः. Engage your mind always in thinking of me, become my devotee. Offer obeisances to me and worship me. Be completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्ति उपहर्तम् अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
Love and devotion, and if a flower, fruit or water, I will accept it. Nainam chinanti sastrani, nainam dahati pavakah, na chainam kledayantapo, na shoshayati marutaha. The soul can never cut to pieces by any weapon, nor burned by fire, nor motion by water, nor wear by the wind. सर्वस्वचाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तः स्मृतिज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदस्य सर्वेदहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृद्वेद विद्येव चाहम्. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from become remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. From all the Vedas, I am to be known. Indeed, I am compiler of Vedanta, and I am knower of the Vedas.
Subscribe, like, and share our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.